In today's guide, I am going to walk you through exactly how to reset your Steam password quickly and securely. Losing access to your Steam account can be a stressful experience, especially when you have a library full of games that you are eager to play. Whether you have simply forgotten your login credentials or you are looking to update your security because of a potential breach, the process of recovering your account is straightforward and designed to get you back into your games as fast as possible. Before we jump into the step-by-step instructions on how to regain access to your Steam account, if you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides and gaming tutorials just like this one. Your support helps us keep creating high-quality content for the community. Alright, let us get straight into it. The first thing you need to do is open the official Steam login page. You can do this through the Steam desktop application or by going to the Steam website in your web browser. Once you are on the login screen, instead of trying to guess your credentials, look below the login boxes for the link that says, "Help, I can't sign in." Clicking this link will take you to the Steam support page, which is the hub for all account recovery issues. On this page, you will see several options depending on the nature of your problem. Since we are focusing on a lost password today, go ahead and select the first option, which says, "I forgot my Steam account name or password." This will redirect you to the account search screen. Here, Steam needs to identify which account belongs to you, so you will need to enter your email address or the phone number that is currently associated with your account. It is very important that you have access to this email or phone, as this is how Steam will verify your identity. After you enter your details and solve any CAPTCHA security checks that appear, Steam will send a verification code to you. Check your email or your mobile phone messages for a code from Steam support. Once you have that code, return to the Steam page and enter the verification code into the provided field. If the code is correct, you will be moved to the final stage of the recovery process. This is where you get to create a new password. Make sure you choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used on other websites. It is a good idea to include a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols to keep your account safe from hackers. You will be asked to enter the password once and then confirm it by typing it a second time. Once you have successfully entered your new password in both fields, click the Change Password button. You should receive a confirmation message stating that your password has been successfully updated. Now that the hard part is over, simply head back to the main login screen and log into Steam with your newly created password. It is always a good practice to double check that your recovery information, like your backup email and phone number, are up to date once you get back into your account settings. This ensures that if you ever lose your password again in the future, the recovery process will be even smoother. And that is everything you need to know about resetting your Steam password. If this video helped you get back into your account, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It really makes a difference for the channel. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.